we're doing juice before we go to work and school, right? We're doing our rainbow juice again. So what do we have? Tell Faith, what do we have here?
We have strawberry, frozen strawberry, carrots, papaya, banana, and
Kale.
kale, and then blueberry and beets.
Okay, so let's do red. Let's go. Red. We got our red. And
I
then,
know they look
Uh-huh.
frozen.
and we already have our goji berry and chia seed already. Okay, so let's see. We had red, orange. Let's see, orange. I think that's enough. And yellow, we have yellow is a banana. So, and green. Hurry up, honey. Early in the morning. Hold on, sweetheart. We have time. You have 10 minutes, baby. We have, so, and then this is the beets.
Wait.
Woohoo!
And this?
Oh, that's enough, I think. You see, we have enough. We're even a little bit. And you go. All right, so we're ready. Here's our yum. This is for Faith
And then
because Faith loves.
Straw.
Oh yeah. Here's Mama and Faith love juice. Faith has been drinking juice since she was like 6 months or so. Right, Faith? You
Don't
love
talk
juice.
about me, girl.
Oh, okay. Talking good about you. All right. Which one is yours?
The middle.
Yay. Have a nice day. Say have a blessed day.
Blessed day.
Make it a great day.
Make it a great day.
Cheers.
Cheers.